What's up guys, I'm back and today I'm going to be showing you how I made a 5K today trading NQ futures. But without further ado, before we get into the actual recap, let's just give you guys some proof that I actually made this money. So here's on Top Step X, you guys can see this is $1,000 on 5 accounts, max allo. I do have more accounts, but I'm just trading these 5 as the markets haven't been the best so far. And it hasn't been actually, but I will be getting into the rhythm of just trading more accounts. But for now, I'm just sticking with the 5 on Top Step. But yeah, today was a pretty easy day, I must say. I took a short, as you guys can see. If you guys know my strategy, if you don't, there's more info on that on my Discord. But I'm just gonna do a quick run through of this, kind of trade I took. So I trade inverses and obviously continuation models on fair value gaps, but this was an inverse trade right here. But of course, without further ado, I always look at the higher time frame, and from the higher time frame, what you guys can see is we're coming off of this 4 hour gap right here and starting to reject down again. So obviously, my bias for the day was, or at least at this time, was very bearish. So I was looking for shorts, and the first target I found was obviously these double lows right here. So if you guys, or if we actually play these candles out real quick, you guys will see we actually do get an inverse of the 5 minute gap. But I don't just enter inverses myself. I have a fake out model I use on my inverses that allows me to kind of enter, when it's more certain that trades will play out. So in this case, we have a 1 minute right here. We get an inverse on the 1 minute candle off the 5 minute gap. We get this next 1 minute candle at 7:45 to kind of retrace back into the gap, and then a second candle to come back down. So my entry actually would usually be here, but what you guys will see is we were inside this 1 minute gap right here. So I actually ended up entering this trade after we inverse this 2 minute gap. So you guys can see right here, I ended up entering right around here off this 1 minute candle, and my obviously my take profit was this low right here. But you guys will see that I actually ended up taking profit like right around here because we did get a crazy like breakthrough in my TP. So you guys will see very soon. I think I entered like around 750. There you go. So I entered right here, and it was a very easy trade. No stress here. So just like that, we end up hitting TP pretty easily. So that is how I made 5K today. I know this was like a very quick run through, but I do have more detailed videos in my Discord down below. So there you guys go.